I'm saying this from a long time. Finally, it's being heard, but it's not enough now. I believe that Europe, for itself, first and foremost, should be bolder, should keep the merit-based process, should go in the direction of gradual, but should find the guts for a new Helmut Kohl moment. Right? When the wall went down, the great guy didn't say to the East Germans, now you have 35 chapters to go through before we are together. He said we are together, and then we'll help you go through. So if EU wants to send a very strong message to the world and to give some great energy to itself, should say, like we are today all around the table, we should always be around the table, but everyone with its own status, until we become full members. So I think it's easier, that's why it's more complicated to be understood.